Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Salesforce CRM system to AgileCRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in AgileCRM, create new contacts every time a lead is added to Salesforce CRM. It is convenient to store, process, and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Salesforce CRM data source. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose AgileCRM as the data ingestion system. Next, you need to select an action, Create Contacts. At this stage, you need to connect your AgileCRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify domain, login, API key or password. In order to get a domain, you need to go to AgileCRM. Copy domain from address bar. Please note that you need to copy domain without extra characters. Next, paste it into the required field in the ApiX-Drive service. Next, you need to specify the login of your AgileCRM account. You also need to specify an API key. To do this, go to AgileCRM. Next, go to Admin Settings in the Developers and API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When all the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Salesforce CRM that will be transferred to the AgileCRM system. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to AgileCRM. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to AgileCRM. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.